If I had to rebuild my entire career from zero, no MBA, no engineering degree, no fancy background, this is exactly how I would do it. Because few years ago, I had no clarity, no real skills, and honestly, I didn't even know how to get even a basic internship. But step by step, I still built a stable, growing six-figure career from literally nothing. Not because I had the right path, but because I learned the right skills. So if you feel lost or behind, this is the video that I wish someone had made for me. The 7 skills that changed everything for me and will change your whole life too. Step 1. Accept where you're actually starting from. Nothing changes until you're honest about where you're starting. When I say I began from zero, I actually mean it. While everyone was preparing for JEE or NEET, I was completely on a different path. Professional singing and badminton for 7 years, and I represented India as well. That was my whole identity, and then my mom passed away. After that, everything stopped in my life. I had to drop everything, relearn how to study, and build myself from scratch. Emotionally, I was broken, and academically, I was behind. My life looked nothing like the perfect background people think you need. But here's the thing I learned. Your starting point is not your fault, but staying there is. Everyone's runway is different. Some of us get a smooth one, and some of us learn to fly mid-air. The moment you stop comparing your own story with everyone else, you finally start building your own. That's where real progress begins. Step 2. Choose the easiest door that you can actually walk through. After school, one thing was very clear for me. I wasn't doing engineering, I wasn't doing medicine, and I wasn't going to force myself into a path that didn't fit my life. So I chose the easiest door that I could start with, a simple BCom degree, a simple plan and a simple beginning. Most people think choosing a simple option is failure, but it's actually the smartest thing that you can do. Again, based on your circumstances. Most people stay stuck because they chase the perfect decision when they should chase the doable one. Your first step doesn't need to be impressive or massive. It just needs to be possible and a bit challenging. Once you walk through that first door, every other door gets easier. Step 3. Build real skills before you expect salary. When I entered college, reality slapped me hard. I had no skills, no experience, nothing on my resume. Every internship that I applied for, silence, rejections, and ignored emails. And for a while, I thought something was wrong with me. So I started with what I had, which was almost nothing. My first internship paid me zero, but it taught me everything. How to think, how to write, how to talk to people, how to handle pressure, how to work. Then I did another and another. I earned 5 to 10,000 rupees, not much, but the growth was huge. Those 6 months didn't change my bank balance, but they changed me. And here's what no one tells you. Money comes slow, skills come fast. Confidence doesn't come first, doing comes first. Your degree might open your first door, but your skills open every door after that. Don't rush salary, don't panic watching people run ahead. Just become someone worth paying. Skills stack, they compound. They build version of you that companies fight for later. Step 4. Turn your skills into your first real break. After those internships, I wasn't lost anymore. I had something real to offer. So when I got my first analyst job earning around 28k, it wasn't because of my degree. I didn't even graduate at that point. It was because of the skills that I quietly built. And I treated that job also like a training ground. I learned everything. Communication, reporting, research, operations, data, writing. I went on site visits and I took on work I didn't even know yet. I taught myself constantly and slowly I became capable. Your first job isn't meant to make you rich, it's meant to make you skilled. Once you become valuable, opportunities open up. Not because of your background, now you're someone people trust. Step 5. Follow your curiosity, it knows better than you do. In the middle of all of this working and learning, something unexpected happened. I got obsessed with YouTube while I was working in a netech company. Not with fame, not with views, just the process of it. Storytelling, editing, marketing, why people click and why people stay. It felt all natural and it felt so much fun. And honestly, it felt like me. So I started teaching myself everything again, all the skills. social media, performance marketing, distribution, branding, psychology, editing, designing, and a lot more. Not to become a creator, but to actually understand the game. That tiny decision shifted my career without even me knowing. And here's the truth, your dream field doesn't show up as clarity, it shows up as curiosity. Most people ignore things that they naturally enjoy because they don't look practical. But your curiosity is not random, it's signal. Follow it, it'll quietly lead you to the career that you're meant for. Step 6. Invest in yourself. Around this time, everyone was talking about MBAs or master degrees, exams, colleges, fees. For a while, maybe I thought I should do it too. But deep down, I knew I didn't need another degree. I needed better skills. So instead of spending lakhs on MBA or masters, I invested in myself in small and smart ways. Courses, books, editing, writing, marketing, my YouTube channel. Every new skill made me sharper and every new attempt made me better. That one choice changed everything. I chose myself. A degree can signal potential, but investing in yourself proves it. Most people always wait for permission to start, a college, mentor, or a certificate. But sometimes the only permission that you need is courage. The moment I invested in myself and chose myself, my career shifted for good. Last but the most important step, stack your skills, build your identity, watch the doors open. All those years of learning, experimenting, failing, and restarting, I didn't realize it back then, but I was becoming someone who's very valuable. Not because of perfect degree, not because of my connections, not because life was easy, but because I kept stacking skills. Writing, marketing, communication, branding, YouTube, strategy, and social media. One skill made the next one easier. One small win made the next step possible. And slowly, I wasn't the lost girl who had no direction. I became someone companies trusted, someone teams can rely on, and someone who can handle real responsibility. And that's what led to my first strong 6-figure managerial role. Not luck, not magic, just identity. You don't get opportunities, you grow into the person that attracts them. Your skills shape your identity shapes your career, and your career shapes your life. Stack your skills and you become unstoppable. If you feel behind, just know that you are not alone. This is my story, my journey, and these are the steps that help me rebuild my life. Your path might look completely different, and that's more than okay. You are not late, you are not stuck, you are at just the beginning. Everything I built came from learning one skill at a time. Not a fancy degree, not a perfect plan, just small steps that slowly changed me. So start with one thing. Grow it and let it shape you. And remember this, your background or your degree doesn't choose your future, you do. And thank you so much for joining me today. And if this video helped you, please share it with someone that needs it and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.